I have to put you onto this tool I've been using, especially if you ever wanted to do lead generation or run ads to get more traffic and sales for your small business or become a media buyer without all the stress. My fellow hustlers, you already know Meta ads can get real confusing real quick. 1 minute you're clicking and creating, and the next you're buried in targeting budgets and terms you never even heard of. But this tool, it handles all that for you. Let me show you how it works. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready? Oh yeah! Hit it! So check this out. Lexi AI is technically an AI ad agent, which sounds all Silicon Valley, Cybertron, computer marketing, but all that really means is Lexi runs meta ads for you. I'm talking launch, text, optimize, all that stuff real media buyers do. By the way, if you don't know what a media buyer is, if you're a YouTuber or any content creator, you get people hitting you up in your DMs and emails telling you they can help promote you and your brand, like Antonio Williams, who makes at least $100,000 a year. Well, guess what? Lexi can help you make that money too. I told Lexi, hey, I want more leads. And boom, it handled the rest. No complex dashboards, no late night Googling ad terms. It's giving cheat code energy in the best way. And the best part, you don't need to be some marketing expert. You don't even need experience. Whether you're a side hustler, a drop shipper, or just trying to grow your small biz, Lexi make you feel like you got your own marketing team on call. Yes, I've saved so much time. It's kind of wild. Now I'm able to focus on the parts of my business that actually motivates me, not stress me out. Okay, so now we're on the Lexi AI dashboard and we're going to promote our product. So the first thing I have to do is copy my link. All right, so look at what I'm going to promote. Look at this. My cup, my Inside Your Hustle cup. It's a coffee mug. You could drink your tea, your hot chocolate, and it's on my website. I need to copy the link. Okay, just the link and paste it right there. You see what I just did? All right, it's worth the wait. Better ads coming in less than 60 seconds. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, now it has all this important information about my coffee mug. Look how if it just gave me all the hustle lifestyle drinkware campaign. That's the name of the project, okay? Now look at all this information it provides. Brand description, the product description, the product features. It is able to put all that information into the introduction, okay? All right, so I'm going to just change out and put hustle. And let's see what else I need to do. I love it. I'm going to take out, because it's not customizable, I'm going to just leave it high quality and durable ceramic. It's not customizable. I'll put inspirational. All right. Look at this. Look at the different ways. Traffic leads. I want sales. Okay. And then you have to pick your budget, your start date, your end date. I'm going to change the budget. Okay. From $20 to $40. All right. There we go. And now you got to pick your cities, your countries, where you want to advertise. Come on, personalize it. We're going to go with Canada. All right. We got to do Canada. And we're going to do United States. But now we can even be more specific too, by the way. Look at that. We can even pick states. All right. Washington. We could pick that. New York. Yes. California. There you go. Texas. All right, so now we have some places we're going to advertise. We're pinpointing where we want to go with this coffee mug, okay? And Florida. Let's do Florida. Florida, USA. Okay, so now look at that. They even have different parts of Florida. You can really pinpoint where you want your mug, where you want your product. Okay, so I love that. Like, if you know certain people drink more coffee and tea at certain places, you pinpoint that. I would like my coffee mug so there. Okay, now you add your account where you want to use Facebook page. You can link your Facebook page, your Instagram page, your Pixel if you like. So all that information is put in. All right, it makes it so much easier, and your conversion event. Now you can pick all of that. Look at that. Okay, so that is also information you put in. Then you press generate proposal and you let them go to work. You let Lexi do its job. Lexi AI is giving me ad sets details. Look how fast. Okay, ad set one is the first audience description. The first one is like coffee lovers, coffee enthusiasts, hot chocolate tea. Yes, and it even gives you audience tags. You don't have to come up with tags, they have them for you. Coffee culture. Look at this. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, like in a gift shop. See that information right there? At set two, you can it gives you like what you want to pinpoint. What kind of audience are you going after? Are you going after coffee and tea lovers, chocolate enthusiasts who loves the drinkware to drink a nice hot cup of coffee in the morning? What are you going after in the morning? Okay, so that's your ad set. That's your ad set. That's your audience. That's your campaign. Number two, ad set two is that environmentalist, the people with the very conscious about the environment. Ad set three is the business and organizations. They have more coffee mugs. They might give them out as gifts. Ad set four or entrepreneurship. People are very passionate, personal growth, the hustle culture. They always have this on their desk, inside your hustle. Maybe hustle hard, stuff like that on their desk. They might want this type of coffee mug. And then you have ad set five. So you have to know who you're going after, okay? It makes it easier. People that might want a gift, the people that want an affordable gift might want to buy this coffee mug, okay? So that's ad set five. So you go by age. What's your age range, your gender? You can set this to be very, very specific. So you give that promo to that certain audience. You see what I mean? You go after certain people. If you know certain people like coffee, the age range 30 to 45, whatever, you set that. You set that up in those countries or those states. Maybe you find out that women drink more tea than men. Go after female. You go after it's amazing how you can just pinpoint this promotion. I love it, Lexi AI. You just saved me tons of work because I used to have to do this myself. And now Lexi AI will do it for you. Cheers to Lexi AI. See what I mean? That setup was too easy. Oh my goodness. I love myself some Lexi AI. Oh, that was so much fun. And it doesn't just stop once your ad goes live. Oh, no, 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 no. Lexi keeps optimizing your ads while you're doing whatever else you got going on. I could be cooking, working out, or watching Housewives on Bravo. Oh my goodness. Did you see what happened last week? All right, we'll get into that later. We get into that. No. And Lexi is still tweaking things behind the scenes, like a little digital hustler, like a little digital me. So if you've been struggling to get more sales or traffic with Facebook or Instagram ads, Lexi is the perfect tool for you. Or if you've been curious about becoming a media buyer, or you just want to throw ad management to your list of money-making skills, Lexi makes it super doable. It's like a shortcut into the world of lead generation and digital marketing without the headaches. I was genuinely impressed, and I don't say that lightly. So if running ads has been on your to-do list, but you've been avoiding it, this is your sign. Click the link in the description and check out Lexi AI for yourself. It's the easiest way to start your media buying side hustle without feeling like you're back in a college marketing class. Let Lexi do the promoting while you do you. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try Lexi AI or if you're already a media buyer. I want to hear how you're doing it. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.